changed the last couple of overs, hit some big shots, saw 3 sixes in a row. That really changed things. We've always been saying in 2020 format, 1 over can make the difference. In the last 4 overs, 49 runs have been conceded by Bengal Tigers, and that's the reason Mumbai Heroes find themselves in a comfortable position.
They're despondent here, the Bengal Tigers camp. They're supported the side, but at this stage, if you look at the required run rate, it's not very steep. 25 needed from 30 deliveries. But cricket is a peculiar game. One can still see a turnaround if they can pick up a wicket here, the Bengal Tigers. We saw that in the thrilling encounter yesterday. Bengal Tigers were almost through, and then strikers came back and won by a solitary run in the end. So Sandy, who comes in, he'll come in for his final over. Has had a good spell, 3 overs, 17, 1 wicket to his name.
Absolutely, it can change in a jiffy. So they just have to continue with the good work and don't leave it to the others. Got to complete the job on hand, and at the moment these two are doing a good job, Shabbir and Raja. Cuts this time, goes for a single and gets it easily in the end. That's good running. Not just going for big shots, but they are concentrating on those singles as well. Sensible cricket all around.
It's actually a brilliant running from Shabbir Ahluwalia. He runs so fast. He motors so fast. And he reached the other end so easily. That's what has put pressure on the Bengal Tigers. They've not been able to stop the singles. And the big shots have been so easy for the Mumbai Heroes here. They've chosen the right area, the right spot, and they've connected so well. 50 from 25 delivery, this partnership.
But this time he connects it through the cover, that powerfully struck, and he gets a boundary for that. That's terrific batting, and he has really turned things around here.
What a knock he has played so far, Shabbir. This was an authentic cricketing shot. He gets into great position. He manufactures this shot, hits it over cover, and beats the fielder as sweeper cover. That's the kind of power he has wielded today, Shabbir Ahluwalia. They are so happy for their side, for Shabbir Ahluwalia. Look at them. Look at the captain.
Ever since he has taken up to the crease, there has been a momentum shift in the innings. Going very slowly until this man stepped onto the crease. Tries to play a neat little shot and misses it completely.
Looks much better when he plays those forceful shots, Amol.
He just knows one way to play, and he should stick with it. And leave these things to his partner Raja at the other end.
Comes across as a very street smart cricketer, knows his strength, and that is to play the big shots, to clear the fence, and he has backed himself to do that. 20 needed now from 27 deliveries. Where will he go this time around, Shabbir Ahluwalia? Hits well, off the back foot. They'll settle for a single, and there's no need to take any unnecessary risk here.
Not at all. They've done the hard work. There's plenty of dew out there on the outfield, and that's the reason it's not been easy for the bowlers, neither for the fielders. They still need 19 runs. 26 deliveries. That's really sensible from Raja.
Bowler.
punches it towards long off, takes a single. He's played his role to perfection. He opened the innings and has got 47 of 33 deliveries with 2 fours and 3 massive sixers.
Oh, where did that go? That's a powerful hit. He pulls it into the stands. Another 6 to end that over. After 16 is 126 for 4.